tomorrow.
Yeah, show and tell. Just get some footage.
Maddie, what are your first impressions of camp life so far?
I don't love it.
So just an update of the night. We managed to convince all of the guys to leave the campsite, and now it's just me and Bronte just hanging out here by the fire, and it's about as lovely as it's been all day.
The boys really wanted us to clean up the table, and
Yeah.
we're going with a strong no.
We're not cleaning anything. We did go and collect firewood twice, so like, look at us go. And Austin and Claire are still nowhere to be seen. Are they coming? We don't know. They probably could have called all of us and said anything, but we don't know. And Daniel and Sam disappeared like an hour and a half ago. Boys are literally incompetent, even at things that they really think that they're good at. Oh, hey everybody. Okay, so a bit later in the night, Claire and Austin have made it here, so is Dion.
Yeah,
We successfully found Dan and Sam again. The reason we lost them was because they decided to take a brief break and go to Macca's, so... Did they actually? Love that for them.
I don't think you've got the angles right with this.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. That's a good angle.
Yeah, we're just hanging out by the campfire.
So who's here? We've got. Oh, I think Dion's gonna go.
Oh, Dion's going.
Dion, let's say goodbye to Dion.
All right,
right now.
Say bye to Dion.
Bye, Dion.
Bye.
Thanks for coming, Dion. Hope you had a nice time. What was your favourite part?
Huh?
What was your favourite part of the night?
Eating the noodles. Mullum.
Shut up, Mum!
Bye.
Maddie!
God. James, how are you feeling?
I'm so tired.
Shade.
How was the walk down here?
Oh.
You haven't got Jack.
No, well, a minor misadventure, but...
Yeah, we got there. We got saved by Austin and Dan halfway
Have you
there.
found them?
Yeah, they were walking the other
Where
way.
you go, like, turn right in front of the sign.
Yeah.
The way that you and Daniel went. You and Daniel did it.
Yeah.
They found us there, and we turned around.
Oh, so you didn't go the wrong way?
We went the wrong way, and then they came and found us. We were off in the bushes making noises, and they're like, "Hello," yelling out at us.
Key
And
card.
yeah, we got saved.
Phone.
So
Wow.
thank you,
Sammy.
Austin, thank you, Dan.
Sam?
That's
So you
Sammy,
guys
yeah.
all carried things down? You didn't just like leave it all to Jack to carry?
No, we all carried stuff. I carried less than they did.
Oh, Jack!
Yeah,
Wow.
you
Champion.
Yeah.
That was against our predictions.
Yeah, we
Really?
had predictions that you were gonna carry us.
See, I'm.
So this is the hammock setup that Sam will be sleeping in tonight.
Come again?
So we're just heading down to the water now to show these guys the lay of the land.
Wait, who's sleeping in the hammock?
Samuel, obviously. Who else would volunteer for that?
Holy Spirit, guide us.
How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? And all will see how great is our God.
Bag full of snacks.
So,
You've got the goods.
Jason, question for you.
Anyone want to play
It's the first night of winter. It's very cold out.
Is that the first
Why
It is.
are you wearing shorts?
It's the 6 out of 10 track. It's got me warm, so...
No, keep it going, keep it going. It's like your top
Even James, the notorious underdresser, is wearing long
The
pants.
clothes was that party, I was
pants.
about to be like dancing
Well, I
and
do
stuff,
have
so
the
I have to have
Sharkies
pants
jumper
on.
on, so...
But the Sharky jumper is on. Tell me, how are the Sharks doing? Bad?
Fine.
I'm great.
Oh, you did.
I have one, and I win with Sengeneric Management Solutions.
Yeah. You've had like a
Sing urgent. Just okay. Give up.
synergistic management solution.
Synergistic management solutions. You idiot.
I said that before.
If anyone else wants to like make it happen,
What is that?
like everyone gets.
Anyway, I'm here with James.
I'm here with Claire, and she is just the greatest, isn't she, guys? I can't believe it. I know.
How do you not believe it? Like, it's just quite expected now. I feel.
Okay, pull yourself up, why don't you? Just be a little more humble about yourself, okay? Just let other people give you compliments next time. Thank you.
I ain't no. Who is that song that says "Be humble"?
Richard Simmons.
No, you. Kenny. I'm not Kenny, and I'm not gonna sit down. and I'm not gonna be humble.
Sit down.
Sit.
Sit.
Okay, I'll sit down.
Away from the seat.
Where did Chloe go? You get quite cold.
Do you think the boys are doing okay?
It has been a while, hey. Hi. Here's to Daniel, he's true blue. He's a piss pot, how does this happen through? Hold on, he's having three, hold on. Hold it.
Spin the handle up. Jason, help it.
It's empty.
No, you can't have that one. He's a bastard, so they say. He tried to go to heaven, but he went the other way. He went down, 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 down. Sip, 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 sip. This is embarrassing.
I don't succumb to peer pressure.
So this is Daniel opening Jason's car.
Excuse me?
James's car.
Jack's card.
Jack's car.
And Maddie's name was thrown in there too.
Whoa.
$40
Oh,
from
whoops! I
four
didn't mean to put that in. I didn't mean to put that in.
Judgment.
$40 whole dollars. That's $10 each. Not bad for a guy with a hobby, hey.
Wait, what is that illustration?
It's a monkey with 1, 2,
No, no.
3,
Is that a
4
penguin?
presents.
Huh?
Is that a...
Penis?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a wooden spoon.
Oh.
I did not see that.
I've decided I'm going for the wooden spoon.
Eventually I will buy a wooden spoon and nail it to a 2x4 and you will have a prize.
Do you want my label maker finally?
Okay, just a final vlog for the night. It is 11:30 and the girls are going to bed.
The boys are not.
The boys are not, and the music is getting louder, which is like not appreciated.
I think they've reached their like max volume, but because it keeps making that like beep noise.
One boy has gone to bed. Please take a guess as to which boy.
Graham? Austin?
No. Oh, he might have actually. Actually, no, I think he has.
Okay, another
but
boy.
That wasn't the boy that I was going for.
Jack.
No,
Jason.
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 Jason has gone to bed. He like yelled out to me from his bed. He's like, "Claus," and I'm like, "Oh, hey, Jason." He's like, "Good night."
Good night, Jason.
Good night, Jason. Have a good sleep. Okay, welcome back to the vlog. It is now the morning time. I slept terribly, as you can tell by my puffy eyes. Let's see how everyone else is doing. Yes, do you not remember me vlogging last night?
You're just vlogging by yourself in the
Like
Yeah,
in your room
just
alone,
giving an
talking.
update before I come and get everyone else. How did everybody sleep?
Terrible.
Austin, how did you find the night?
Pretty comfortable. I woke up a couple of times. My legs were cold, but that was
Can
okay.
you cover this? We're not sponsored.
He was a little spoon. I was a little spoon, yeah.
Have the boys' tent just folded so nicely, fitting into that bag. Now let's come over here and see how Sam's doing.
As you can see, he looks not great. It's very difficult.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Don't sleep in a tent. Sleep in a put him in a red. Oh.
Oh, what's this? What's this I see? A nice folded swag?
No, that's just the mattress. That's
Never mind.
Swag's still on.
I was wrong.
How embarrassing.
You at the back.
You guys are so far away from me in this photo.
Everyone just shut forward.
Is this a video currently?
Yeah, this is just for the vlog.
Put this on. I think I've like doubled my body weight.
Alright.
We got everything.
Does everyone have the rubbish?
Sorry. Okay, so we are leaving the campsite.
Woohoo!
Do you know what the time is? Anyone?
It's like 9:45.
All right, it's 9:45.
9:50.
9:50. We are heading out. We'll see how long this walk takes us. Daniel's got the swag and his pack strapped to his back, so he gonna die. But other than that, we grooving. Catch you later. So we're almost half an hour into this walk, and we started on the incline. How's it going for you, Danny?
That's right.
Yeah.
Pretty decent.
Bit of a battle, but we're getting there. Alright, just another update for you guys. We have successfully made it back to the cars. And it only took us 30 minutes, like pretty much exact. So like, I'm pretty chuffed at that effort from everyone. Pulled through. How do you feel, Dan? Trooper, bro.
Dan has a lot of sweat.
Oh. Killed it, absolutely. Alright, team.
Same time.
What are you guys doing next weekend?
Not this.
Everyone, I need hands in. Hands in for us all. Luke, it's everyone.
Like, subscribe. Keep it real.
What are we saying on 3? Any suggestions?
Camp.
Okay. Hurry up, James.
Daniel's birthday camp 2019. No.
Yeah, no, let's go. That's actually
Alright, everyone got it? 3,
Dan.
1, 2, 3.
Daniel's birthday camp 2019!